Your windows and doors do more than just complete the look of your home. They protect your family, improve energy efficiency, and help maintain indoor comfort. In a climate like Dallas, where hot summers, strong storms, and temperature swings are common, high-performing windows and doors are essential. But how do you know when it's time for an upgrade? Here are the top signs it may be time to replace your windows and doors in Dallas. Rising energy bills. If your cooling costs seem to climb every summer, your windows and doors could be part of the problem. Older or poorly sealed units allow conditioned air to escape and hot outdoor air to seep inside. In Dallas, where air conditioning runs heavily for much of the year, even small leaks can make a noticeable difference in your monthly utility bills. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors with modern insulation and low-E glass can significantly improve your home's thermal performance. Drafts and uneven indoor temperatures. Do certain rooms feel hotter than others? Do you notice drafts near windows or doors? These are clear signs that seals may be failing or frames may have warped over time. Dallas heat can expose weaknesses in outdated materials. When your windows and doors no longer provide a tight seal, your HVAC system works harder to maintain a consistent temperature. Replacing them helps restore comfort throughout your home. Difficulty opening or closing windows and doors should operate smoothly. If they stick, jam, or refuse to stay open, it may be more than a minor inconvenience. Warped frames, worn-out hardware, or foundation shifts can all impact functionality. In addition to being frustrating, poorly functioning windows and doors can create safety concerns. In an emergency, you want to be able to open them quickly and easily. Visible damage or decay. Take a close look at your window frames and door materials. Cracks, rot, rust, or soft wood are warning signs that replacement may be necessary. Exposure to Dallas heat, humidity, and occasional severe weather can wear down materials over time. Damaged frames not only reduce efficiency but can also allow moisture intrusion, leading to bigger structural problems if left unaddressed. Condensation between glass panes. If you see fog or moisture trapped between window panes, the seal has likely failed. This means the insulating gas between the panes has escaped, reducing the window's energy efficiency. Once this happens, the window can no longer perform as intended. Replacement is often the most cost-effective solution to restore clarity and insulation. Increased outside noise. Have you noticed more outdoor noise making its way inside your home? Older windows and doors typically lack the sound dampening technology found in modern designs. Upgrading to newer, insulated models can significantly reduce outside noise, a major benefit if you live near busy streets or growing neighborhoods in Dallas. Outdated appearance. Curb appeal matters. Faded finishes, outdated styles, and worn hardware can make your home look older than it is. New windows and doors instantly refresh your home's exterior and interior aesthetic. With a wide variety of modern designs, frame materials, and color options available, you can customize replacements to match your home's architecture and your personal style. Storm and security concerns. Dallas weather can bring strong winds and severe storms. If your current windows and doors feel flimsy or outdated, upgrading to impact-resistant or reinforced options can provide added protection. Modern windows and doors also feature improved locking systems and stronger materials, giving you enhanced security and peace of mind. Invest in comfort, efficiency, and value. Replacing your windows and doors is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in your home's comfort, safety, and long-term value. If you're experiencing any of these warning signs, it may be time to explore modern, energy-efficient options designed to perform in Dallas conditions. By making the upgrade, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, improved comfort, enhanced curb appeal, and greater confidence in your home's protection for years to come.